NG Connect is essentially a group of companies that have come together to collaborate on new business models. So all of us in the program, we have different technologies that our individual companies are bringing to the table. And when you combine those things together in a collaborative way, you can come up with new ways of making money for each one of our companies. One of the things that we've been applying the ecosystem towards is healthcare. Everybody knows that healthcare is a huge problem around the world. One of the concepts that we have been working on is called the Telehealth Services Kit.
So the Telehealth Services Kit is a remote healthcare solution that would be offered by medical providers through a service provider offering to allow for greater efficiencies in the clinics, reduced costs to the medical providers, and a greater quality of experience from the patients at home. It's a patient hardware device, so it's a kit that the patient would have at home that's got all of the medical devices that are tailored to that particular person.
You know, now we can have this kit connected automatically to a service provider network via LTE or via 3G and be able to communicate with doctors and nurses in a very high quality way through the power of the network. That's the thing that's really different, is that we don't have to store anything locally. And so the idea is, you know, let's take that direction from the doctors and the nurses, and let's simplify it into a set of very prescribed questions so that someone can very easily, you know, answer yes, no kinds of questions. It leads them through, put the blood pressure cuff on now, do these sorts of things. And then the doctors and the nurses, they get a set of measurements from this patient that makes sense for what they need to do for that patient. From a turnkey perspective, the nice thing about the Telehealth Services Kit and the group of companies that came together to produce that is that we really had an eye for how do we make this something that a patient, an end user, can turn on and they don't have to do anything except use it. It's just flip on the switch and it works. We're hoping that this Telehealth Service Kit gets into the hands of people and shows the industry what's possible when you bring a group of companies together to collaborate on something like this.